in my heart.
Yes, you did in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. It's what they know. You need each other to go. They'll see each other. One more time.
You'll be in my heart,
No
no
matter
matter what
they
they
say,
say.
yes, you'll be in my Sabi ni BC, may meeting daw. Thank you so much. I was really, surprised. And, grabe kang si Lord.
Next.
Alam mo, to be very honest, sabi ko kay Ian, gusto ko ng, baby shower, mga 32 weeks. Pero because we went to many transition, sabi ko, Lord, okay lang ba kahit hindi? Baka may iba kang plano. Kasi sabi ko, gusto din naman na magganto pa ako kasi 36 weeks na ngayon. Pero promise ko, Lord. Thank you so much. Lord bless you in everything as you sow this seed to me and my family. Thank you so much.
Siyempre, mapag-prayan din natin si Mao. And I'd like to call up Pastor Amanda to pray for Mao as well. Pwede naman mo.
On that your protection be upon with Mao and the baby, Panginoon, that good health be upon with Mao and the baby, Panginoon, and Lord, strength for Pastor Ian, Panginoon, na pag-aasikaso niya back and forth sa pagdadrive and all these things, and Lord, sa mga bata, sa kanilang mga anak, Panginoon, patuloy that your protection and good health be upon them. Lord, you are our provider. Provide for all their needs, emotionally, financially, physically, spiritually, Panginoon, sa lahat ng kanilang pangangailangan. Ikaw ang maging Diyos na mag-provide ng lahat ng kanilang pangangailangan. Lord, sa mga doctors and nurses na mag-handle sa Kanya, Lord, we pray that use their hands to be your hands to take care of her sa pag-deliver, Panginoon. And Lord, sa mga nurses, yung ilagay sa puso nila ang pag-iingat at pagmamahal while they are working as and Lord, for the rest of this evening, as we celebrate and rejoice, Panginoon,
Ever naman ako. Gusto ko to ay.
Hindi, okay lang. Sige, sabihin ko. Actually, we were praying talaga sa name. And then, there's this one moment, I think, first trimester yun. While I was praying, may sinabi si Lord na name. Actually, first time ko lang din niya narinig. Tapos ang sinabi niya doon is, Anaya. Tapos when I research about the name Anaya, ang ibig palang sabihin niya is, God has answered. Or God has intervened. And then, nung hinanap ko siya sa Bible, siya pala yung, may male version siya eh. Bali siya yung unang priest nung time ni Ezra na kauna-unahan nag-share ng word sa mga sa Israelites. So, yun. Grabe lang din si Lord kung alam mo yun, na napaka-precious pala sa kanya ng name na ang ibig sabihin is, He has interfered and He has answered. Sino aawagan mo sa kanila?
Malapit yung Eliana.
Eliana, malapit.
Anjo daw, Anjo.
Malapit.
Ano si Darwin? Sabi sa'yo, may pa-prize kami dito. Prepared kaya kami. Yun na to.
Meron pa nga kaming drinks eh.
Oo, may drinks pa nga kami.
Pasayawin mo sila sa kanina.
Oh, request daw. Sayaw daw. Habang ano. Sayaw daw. Request daw ni Kuya Fernan. Habang inaabot. Sige na.
Ay, oh.
Oh, karate.
Karate.
Madali lang lang ako.
Ayan. So everyone, you guys, thank you for participating.
I hope you never forget your family. I hope you love us forever. I hope you learn a lot from us and God. I hope you love us and God forever. I forgot. I wrote that. Love Travis. I forgot.
Thank you. Okay, sino pa next?
What He ordained you to become. I hope you never forget that God has your back all the time. I hope you love God first and love the people that the Lord has given you. I hope that you learn everything that you need to learn to equip you to walk in the destiny that the Lord has given you. May the Lord bless you and keep you. Love, Daddy.
You be in my heart.